In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscribers to Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a list of contacts into your account quickly and accurately. Start by heading to your Mailerlite dashboard in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. The dashboard is your command center, and from here we'll move straight to the people who matter most, your audience. Look for the subscribers section in the main navigation and open it. This page shows your existing contacts and is where all importing actions live. Next, choose Add Subscribers. This opens the import workflow, which is the fastest way to bring in a list. Before you upload, a quick prep tip. Make sure your list is saved as a CSV or plain text file. Include a header row with clear column names like email, name, and any other fields you plan to keep. The email column is essential, and each subscriber should be on its own line with one email per row. If you're moving data from a spreadsheet, exporting to CSV is usually the cleanest option. Now click the area that says drag and drop a CSV or text file or upload. You can drop your file right onto the page or browse your computer to select it. After you add the file, Mailerlite will scan your data and show a preview. This is where you confirm that each column in your file matches the correct field in Mailerlite. Make sure the email column is mapped to email. If the system suggests a mismatch, correct it here so your data comes in tidy. A quick note on quality: remove obvious typos, blank emails, or role addresses before importing, and only import contacts who have given permission to receive your emails. When everything looks right, click Import Subscribers. Mailerlite will process the file, automatically skipping exact duplicates based on email address. You'll see a progress indicator as it works through the list. Larger files may take a little longer, so let it finish. Once the import completes and the summary appears, click Finish Import. You'll get a confirmation with how many subscribers were added, updated, or skipped. That's it. Your list is now in Mailerlite and ready for your next campaign. If you notice anything off in the summary, revisit your source file, adjust headers or formatting, and repeat the same import steps for a clean result. You've just learned the simplest, most reliable path to adding subscribers in Mailerlite. Open subscribers, add subscribers, upload your CSV or text file, import, and finish. Clean data in means better deliverability and smoother email marketing ahead.